What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Blur on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will log into our account on coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So for the first step we will select the option on top, buy and sell. Click on it and this overview will be opened. Now what we can do, we can select the purchase frequency. As you can see, you can buy it with a frequency on a daily base, weekly, twice a month or monthly. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use to buy the coins. I will use €2, as you can see. After that, you can select the coin we would like to buy. That is the Blur token. Tick it in the search bar and it will appear. Just select it, and now you can select the wallet you would like to use to pay for the coins. I'm using my Euro wallet because I'm living in the Netherlands and we are using the Euro as a currency. But if you live in the United States or other countries, then you can select your own wallet over here. If you don't have any options, you simply can add a payment method by clicking on the button below, and after that it will appear in this list. So for now I will leave it on my Euro wallet, and after that I will click on review order. Now the information about this purchase will be shown. As you can see, I'm buying 3.3 coins and the purchase amount is €1.01. But the Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 cents. So the total amount I'm spending is €2. If you would like to invest on a weekly base, so repeatedly purchase, then you can select this button. For now, I will leave it on no. And if you would like to buy the coins, just click on buy now and the coins will be added directly to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely come back to our next Coinbase tutorial. See you, bye bye.